What if I told you that you could have a lush green fence that grows faster than bamboo, and it's completely legal? Imagine stepping into your garden and seeing a dense, vibrant wall of greenery, giving you privacy, shade, and beauty, without waiting years for it to grow. Most people think bamboo is the only fast-growing option, or they struggle with slow hedges that take forever to fill in. The truth is, there are at least 8 plants that grow super fast, stay manageable, and make perfect green fences for small or large spaces. In this video, I'll show you all 8 of them, including tips on how to plant, space, and prune them for maximum growth. Whether you have a balcony, backyard, or rooftop, these plants can transform your space quickly into a natural green barrier. By the end, you'll know exactly which fences to pick to get fast, thick, and stunning coverage faster than most gardeners ever imagine. Let's jump right in with the first plant. 1. Leyland Cypress Fast Privacy Tree. Leyland Cypress is one of the fastest growing evergreen trees used for natural fences. Gardeners love it because it grows quickly and forms a thick wall of greenery that blocks wind, noise, and unwanted views. In good conditions, this tree can grow around 3 feet every year, which means a small plant can become a tall privacy fence in just a few seasons. This tree grows best in full sunlight and well-drained soil. When planting Leyland Cypress as a hedge, keep about 6 to 8 feet of space between each tree. This spacing allows the branches to spread and eventually connect together, creating a dense green barrier. Regular pruning helps keep the hedge neat and encourages the plant to grow thicker instead of just taller. The good news is that Leyland Cypress is fairly low maintenance once established. It tolerates different climates and can grow in many soil types as long as drainage is good. Because it stays evergreen throughout the year, your garden will remain private and green in every season. For people who want a fast, natural privacy fence, Leyland Cypress is often one of the best choices available. 2. Thuja Green Giant Super Fast Evergreen Hedge. Thuja Green Giant is another extremely popular plant for creating a fast-growing green fence. It grows even faster than many traditional hedge plants, often reaching 3 to 5 feet of growth per year when planted in the right conditions. Because of its rapid growth and dense foliage, it quickly forms a thick living wall. This tree thrives best in full sunlight, although it can tolerate light shade. Planting it in slightly moist, well-drained soil helps it grow strong and healthy. When creating a hedge, it is recommended to plant the trees about 5 to 6 feet apart so they can eventually merge into a solid green barrier. One reason gardeners prefer Thuja Green Giant is its strong resistance to diseases and pests. It is also very adaptable and can survive in different climates. Once the plant becomes established, it requires very little maintenance. Light pruning can help maintain the shape of the hedge, but many gardeners simply allow it to grow naturally. With its tall structure and thick evergreen leaves, Thuja Green Giant provides year-round privacy and beauty. For anyone looking for a powerful, fast-growing natural fence, this plant is an excellent choice. 3. Clumping Bamboo Fast but controlled growth. Many people love bamboo fences, but they worry about bamboo spreading aggressively and taking over the garden. The good news is that clumping bamboo varieties grow fast while staying contained in one area. Unlike running bamboo, clumping bamboo grows in tight clusters. This means it expands slowly outward instead of spreading uncontrollably underground. Some clumping varieties can grow 2 to 3 feet in a single growing season, making them a great option for quick privacy. Bamboo prefers full sun to partial shade and grows best in fertile, well-drained soil. Regular watering during the early stages helps the plant establish strong roots. Once mature, bamboo becomes quite resilient. For extra control, many gardeners plant bamboo with root barriers or grow it in large containers. This keeps the plant manageable while still allowing it to create a dense green wall. Besides privacy, bamboo adds a beautiful tropical look to any garden or patio. The tall stems and soft rustling leaves create a relaxing atmosphere. When the right clumping species chosen, bamboo becomes a fast, natural, and legal green fence that enhances the beauty of outdoor spaces. 4. Privet ligustrum. Classic fast hedge privet is one of the most traditional hedge plants used in gardens around the world. It grows quickly and produces thick foliage, making it ideal for creating dense privacy fences. Under good growing conditions, privet can grow 2 to 3 feet per year. Because it responds very well to trimming, gardeners can easily shape it into neat hedges or formal green walls. Regular pruning encourages the plant to grow thicker and fuller. Privet grows best in full sun or partial shade and prefers well-drained soil. It is also very adaptable, meaning it can grow in different environments and climates without too much difficulty. During spring and early summer, Privet often produces small white flowers that attract birds and pollinators to the garden. These flowers add extra beauty while supporting local wildlife. Another advantage of Privet is its durability. It can handle pruning, different weather conditions, and occasional neglect better than many other hedge plants. Because of its fast growth, dense foliage, and easy maintenance, Privet continues to be a popular choice for gardeners who want a quick and reliable green fence. 5. Photinia red tip. Colorful privacy hedge Photinia, especially the red tip Photinia, is famous for its beautiful red new leaves. When fresh growth appears, the leaves are bright red and slowly turn deep green as they mature. This color change makes the hedge look vibrant and decorative throughout the growing season. Photinia grows about 2 to 3 feet per year, making it a great choice for a fast privacy screen. Over time, the branches become thick and form a dense wall of foliage. This plant prefers full sunlight and fertile, well-drained soil. Regular trimming encourages new growth, which keeps the hedge colorful and thick. Once established, Photinia becomes fairly drought-tolerant, meaning it can survive with moderate watering. However, proper airflow between plants is important to prevent disease. Besides privacy, Photinia adds beauty and color to the landscape. The mix of red and green leaves creates a striking visual effect that stands out in any garden. For homeowners who want a hedge that provides both privacy and decorative value, Photinia is an excellent choice that grows quickly and looks stunning year-round. 6. Italian Cypress. Tall and elegant green fence Italian cypress trees are well known for their tall, narrow shape. Instead of spreading wide, they grow straight upward, making them perfect for tight spaces where a traditional hedge may not fit. These trees grow relatively quickly and can reach impressive heights in just a few years. Because they stay slim and vertical, they are often planted in rows to create a formal, elegant green fence. Italian cypress prefers full sunlight and well-drained soil. It does not require heavy pruning because the tree naturally maintains its column-like shape. Occasionally, removing dead or weak branches helps keep the plant healthy. One of the biggest advantages of Italian cypress is its dramatic appearance. The tall, dark green columns add a sophisticated look to gardens, driveways, and property borders. Although it may not form a thick hedge like other plants, it still provides visual screening and decorative privacy. Many landscape designers use it to create stylish, natural barriers. For those who want a fence that is both fast-growing and visually striking, Italian cypress offers a beautiful and elegant solution. 7. Bamboo palm. Tropical green screen bamboo palm is a great option for people who want a tropical-style green fence, especially in smaller spaces or container gardens. Unlike large outdoor trees, this plant grows in clusters of slender stems with lush green leaves. It typically grows 2 to 3 feet per year under the right conditions. Because of its clumping growth habit, it forms a natural screen that works well for patios, balconies, and small gardens. Bamboo palm prefers partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. It thrives in warm climates and can also grow indoors near bright windows. Regular watering helps maintain healthy foliage. One of its biggest advantages is its compact size. Even though it grows quickly, it remains manageable and easy to maintain. The plant's soft, tropical appearance instantly makes outdoor spaces feel more relaxing and natural. Because it grows in thick clusters, bamboo palm can create a natural privacy screen without taking up too much space. For gardeners who want a fast, decorative, and tropical green fence, bamboo palm is a fantastic choice. 8. Leylandii hybrid hedge. Powerful privacy. Wall Leylandii hybrid hedges are widely used in landscaping because of their extremely fast growth and dense evergreen foliage. In the right conditions, they can grow 3 to 4 feet every year, quickly forming a tall green barrier. These hedges grow best in full sun and fertile, well-drained soil. When planting them for privacy, it is recommended to keep about 6 feet of space between plants so they have room to develop strong branches. Regular trimming is important for Leylandii hedges because they grow quickly. Pruning helps control height and encourages thicker side growth, which makes the hedge denser. One major benefit of this plant is its year-round greenery. Even during colder seasons, the hedge remains lush and provides privacy. Because of their fast growth and strong structure, Leylandii hybrids are often used to create solid natural walls that block wind, noise, and outside views. For homeowners who want a powerful, fast-growing green fence, Leylandii hedges are one of the most effective choices available.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more simple gardening tips and fast growing plants ideas.